Hi there, Lorrie here on Vancouver Island, and I'm super excited today because I got mail. Oh, wow, that really weirded things out, didn't it? That's what you get when you work with a green screen. Look at some of my hair is disappearing too because it's green. Anyway, Adrian from Indiana Backyard Garden has sent me a garden tool. And it's an essential garden tool, and I'm so grateful to have it, and I know exactly where I'm going to put it. It's wrapped up very effectively. Oh my goodness. And it smells amazing. So it made it. Adrienne, it made it all the way here, and it looks pretty good. So it's a little limp, and I'm actually going to leave it in this nice moist dirt. Like you can see, you can see signs of water on there. And yeah, you can see it's disappearing. But this is some pineapple mint, which I don't yet have in my garden. So this will now be five kinds of mint that I have for my garden, and this will be popping in there. If it stops raining today, I'll run out and just throw it in there today. But if not, then I'm going to wait for a break in the rain because I might melt if I get out in the rain, and we wouldn't want that, now would we? So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. But thank you, Adrienne, for sending me this very important, essential garden tool. I couldn't be more grateful. And thanks everybody for popping in to see what I got in the mail. I love you all. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye now.